Yes. Welcome back, students. Have you completed your task? How many of you completed? I got a mail from Shahbaz and the rest of the people, four people. How many of you completed it? Yes, one person. Pravalika completed, right? And the remaining persons are still doing their final outputs.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Aishwarya and also Pravalika. Sweetie, have you completed yours? Yeah, okay. Next, Sadhika.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Sweet. Okay, sweet. And next, Sadhika, are you there?
Completed.
Yeah. Sir, most probably all of them have completed their tasks, sir. They'll be sharing the files to me. I'll share you the total zip folder at a time for you so that we
Okay.
can evaluate them in the background.
All right.
We'll move forward the Viva session, sir.
Sure.
So, students, again, in the just like how we have done in the afternoon session, please leave the session and join one by one. We'll add them in separate. Yes, please everyone leave and join separate. Again, we'll take the Viva for separately each and every.
Connect ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ disconnect ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
shape. You can see that my shape is white. If I make it black,
Sir, Pravalika, please share your screen and be ready for your Viva.
Okay. Cool.
We are not getting your audio, Pravalika. Can you please check it once again? You have turned off your mic. Pravalika, you have turned off your mic. Okay. Sadhvika, please turn on your mic and share your screen. Okay. Sweetie, turn on your screen and on your mic, and we'll take your Viva. Share your screen and turn on your mic, Sweetie.
What was the task given to them? In the second
Sir,
round?
the second task is about in the same Incredible India, but we need to create a stamp. Sir.
Stamps. Okay.
Yes, stamp.
Sir, not showing.
Yes, your screen is visible, and your audio is also clear for us.
We start.
Yes, sir, we can start.
Yeah. Hi, Sweetie. Can you? So what all images were shared with you in the document? I mean, in the folder. You are on mute.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
not clarity, sir.
I'm asking like what all images were shared with you in the folder to create this stamp?
Yes, sir.
Show to sir the images shared to you. సార్కి చూపించండి మీకు ఇమేజెస్ ఏవైతే షేర్ చేశారో స్టాంప్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి అవి సార్కి చూపించండి.
The voice is not clear to me.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Sweetie, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. She's trying to share the screen.
Okay.
Or else shall I share the images? Sir?
Yeah, I just wanted to know like what
Yeah,
has been
okay,
shared
okay.
and
Then
what has
I'll
been
share.
done by students.
Yes, then I'll share the screen of the images and you can forward.
Yeah.
Muted.
Sir, you're able to get my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. These are all the images we have given to the students.
Okay. Okay, this illustration is already there. All right.
Yes, yes. I think
Okay.
she have included this image.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to know. Like, did she illustrate it or just took the image? Cool, makes sense. Okay, yeah. Let's start with
Yes.
the Viva.
Now, sweetie, you can share your screen and attempt the Viva. Turn on your mic, sweetie.
Yeah. Sweetie, you are on mute. Okay, yeah. Sweetie, can you tell me one thing? Like the edges of these stems are not very clear. Like, it's pixelated. The edges of these stems are pixelated. Why is the edges not very clean? It's all pixelated. If you look on the top right corner,
I not understand.
sorry.
Not
Oh, so like she can't understand your questions.
So Teju, I'll tell you. You can tell her.
Yeah.
So you can see the edges on the stamp are not
Yeah.
very clean, right? They're
Yes.
pixelated. It's
Okay.
broken
Okay.
on the left sides as well. So that's
Yes.
why
Yes.
it is like this.
Okay, sir.
English edges.
స్వీటీ యాక్చువల్గా మీకు టాప్ రైట్ కార్నర్ లో అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ మీరు ఏదైతే బార్డర్ పెట్టారో బార్డర్ లో ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్ సో మెనీ ఎర్రర్స్ క్యాప్స్ ఉన్నవి అండ్ ఆల్సో పిక్సెలేట్ అంటే నాట్ కంటిన్యూస్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ లైక్ దట్
Rectify చేస్తాను సార్.
I mean, sir, like, is this your own? I mean, sir, are you trying to make this as your design, or else error? Or else is this an error?
నేనే
Okay,
నేనే
you tried.
చేస్తాను సార్.
Okay, sir. Actually, she have done it in this way
Yes.
while creating this edges. It has been some mistake. She tried to create it like this itself.
Okay. Also, can you please ask her what's the reason behind having a pink color in the background? What that pink color signifies?
Pink include చేశారు కదమ్మా మీరు స్టాంప్ లో వాట్స్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద పింక్ కలర్ ఫర్ యువర్ డిజైన్
బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ఫుల్ ఉంటుంది.
Okay, so the answer from her is it looks beautiful if we have pink, if we have added the pink color.
Okay. Okay. And the next question is, what is the significance of dancer and the bird?
Right.
Like dancer, we get the point. Like it is a cultural or traditional. What is the significance of the bird here?
Sweetie, you got the question? అర్థమైందా క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైందా డాన్సర్ ని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేశారు యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ బర్డ్ ని ఇంక్లూడ్ చేశారు వాట్స్ ద రీజన్ బిహైండ్ యాడింగ్ దిస్ డాన్సర్ అండ్ ద బర్డ్ ఇన్ ద స్టాంప్ ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ అనుకుంటారు కదా ఇక్కడ ఈ పర్సన్ ఎందుకు పెట్టారు డాన్సింగ్ పర్సన్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ వై యూ హ్యావ్ ఇంక్లూడెడ్ ద బర్డ్ ఇన్ టు ద స్టాంప్ రీజన్
స్టాంప్ సార్ అక్కడ స్టాంప్ పోస్ట్ బట్ ఇంకా రిమూవ్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నాం సార్.
ఓకే లైక్ మీతో పాటు ఉన్న వాళ్ళని పక్కకు వెళ్ళిపోమని చెప్పండి ప్లీజ్ టెన్ ద పర్సన్ టు బి
ఇంకా ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను సార్. ఇది పెడితే ఎలా ఉంటుందని జస్ట్ చూసాను.
ఓకే why you have kept the dancing woman post dancing woman image reason behind adding her image here
నాట్ అండర్స్టాండ్.
డాన్సింగ్ ఉమెన్ పెట్టారు కదా ఇక్కడ డాన్సింగ్ ఉమెన్ అర్థమైందా డాన్సింగ్ ఉమెన్ పెట్టారు కదా ఎందుకు పెట్టారు పర్టికులర్ ఇమేజ్ ని ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నారు
ఇక్కడ సార్ మనకి చిన్న ఇమేజెస్ లో
okay sir I think she's unable to explain it clearly
Okay.
shall we move on to the next question?
So any did she use any shapes, or it just all this? This is the compilation of only of the images, or did she created anything?
Sir, I think she have borrowed all the things from the images itself.
Images only, right? There is no shapes
Yes,
as such.
No.
Yeah. That's why I think it is getting pixelated. Cool. So
We'll move on to next person, sir.
yeah.
ఓకే స్వీటీ, మీరు లీవ్ అయిపోవచ్చండి. మీరు ఫైల్స్ అన్ని సేవ్ చేసి నా మెయిల్కి సెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకే,
Okay.
జిప్ ఫైల్ చేయండి. మీరు ఫోటోషాప్ ఫైల్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ పీడిఎఫ్ ఫైల్ రెండు షేర్ చేయండి. మీకు రిజల్ట్ అనేవి విల్ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ ఇన్ ద వాట్సాప్. ఓకే, రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. యూ కెన్ లీవ్ ద సెషన్. Right, Pravalika, please turn on your camera. And share your screen, please. Good evening. Please share your screen.
Sure. So this is one of the stamp cards, and this
No,
is another.
we haven't got your screen yet.
Okay, I'm sorry. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it's okay now.
This is
Yeah.
another one.
Hi, Pravalika.
Hi, sir.
Why is there a watermark in your this?
Sir, actually
blue
that
color?
image is consisting of watermark itself. Image itself is
Achha.
consisting.
Oh, okay. So, Pravalika, why have you used a blue color
No,
behind this woman?
the image is the same color.
No, this blue color.
Yes, sir. The image consisting of the blue color and the water.
Oh, this image is like
Yes, yes.
together.
Like this. Yes, sir. Together.
Okay.
And this is the second.
Sorry.
She have
In the
made
question
two.
paper, we asked us to make 2 stamp cards. And
Oh, there are 2 stamps.
Yes.
Yes,
Sir. Question paper requires 2 stamps.
Okay, the sweetie has done just one.
Only one, and that too, she's having some issues to complete it.
Okay. So, Pravalika, did you see the reference images shared with you for this
Yes, sir.
stamp? Yeah.
Yes.
So you must have seen all those are illustrations, right?
Yes,
Like
sir.
if you have seen the stamp, then you know, right? All illustrations are being used. There is no stamp as with the actual photograph. So here you have used an actual photograph. So in stamps, normally conventionally it doesn't happen.
Actually, I vectorized the image and I used it.
Yeah. So the first one is better than the second one. I'm not really sure about the second one because you have used an image, like a
Actually,
photograph.
I'm still trying to do the next one.
Okay.
It's in the
Then
process.
let's focus on the first then. Can you
Yeah, sure.
go to the first one? Okay. So if we are talking about an incredible India, there is no feeling of an India, like, other than this photograph of a dancer, not much speaks about India. It's rather
That's true, but
It's
But I
telling
thought
about
that
a
we were choosing.
dancing lady, then the talking about the India, right?
So I'll just try to change my images, which gives more idea about including.
Yeah, try to add some colors to it, because I think the feedback from my side would be add some colors to it that might give it more significance of an Indian stamp.
Okay, I got it.
So, Teja, are all the reference images just have dancers, or are there other variations as well?
We just have dancing.
All are
The
dancers?
topic itself is about the dance. There's some
Okay.
reference postcards, stamp postcards, and the images are of dancers.
Okay.
Pravalika, once means share that one also. Means show us the images, represents images.
Yeah.
Yeah, just one more. Can I see that one more time?
These are the
Yeah, right.
example
These are the
postcards.
reference, right? Right. So
Yeah,
these
these
are
are the
all
reference
illustrations.
and every picture is about dance and
Mhm.
culture.
Okay.
So we just thought that this may be about the dance, and I just took the images of same dance.
So why did you go for this illustration? I mean, like this lady. Why not some other?
I didn't get sir.
I mean, why did you go for this particular image? Why not another image? Any reason?
Actually, I'm trying with each and every image.
Are you just still trying for this? Okay.
I just made a basic model and I'm trying with every image.
Okay. So, are you still playing with the colors as well, or have you finalized the colors? Are you still like figuring out the colors?
After you gave me a suggestion of adding some colors, I just got some ideas. So within half an
Mhm.
hour, I'll do something.
Yeah, I think you try that. That might be better because it still looks not completed.
Actually, I thought that stamp card must be so simple, and I felt that I didn't want to mess up this thing. So since you are giving me that idea, definitely I'll do the best.
And any reason you repeating the text of Incredible India top as well as at the bottom,
As sir, it is given in the question paper itself.
that you
And
need to repeat this twice?
yeah, no. Actually, in the question paper, they asked us to keep the logo called Incredible India, and in the text,
Right.
you are given three things. So it's already
Like,
instructed that we must include each and every
oh,
content
you
given in
need
the
to have this
question
logo and also this text.
paper, also
Okay.
the text. So
Okay.
I have no chance and no choice.
Okay. That makes sense. Cool. I think this looks fine. Work on the colors. I think this should look better.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I leave now?
Yeah, it's better you complete this project.
Okay, thank you. Sir.
Pravalika, you can leave the session now. Send me all the files you have saved so that we'll evaluate here.
Okay. Sir. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Aishwarya, please turn on your camera and share your screen. I
Would be
think
hard
it's
to-
better to log into your screen on laptop itself. We'll wait for you. Please log into your laptop from Zoom account.
Sir, my network connection is very slow, sir, so I can't do it now.
Sir, shall we skip
Yeah,
it to
let's.
last? I mean, so
Yeah, we
this
can
question
keep
to
it.
last. Yes.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Let's
So
do that.
Aishwarya, మీరు లాగిన్ చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. విల్ టేక్ యువర్ వైఫ్ అట్ లాస్ట్. ఈలోపు మీరు కనెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే
Okay, sir.
రైట్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Yeah, Shabaz, please turn on your camera and share your screen.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
clear.
This looks cool. Hi, Shabaz. So you have created two options. It's the copyright.
Sir, same, but the images are different ones, sir. That's it.
So on top you have two in orange color. Are there any difference between these two?
Yes, sir. This is the whole image is pixelated image, sir. Whereas this is a color overlay image, sir. The top one is color overlay.
Okay. Can you zoom in a little?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, much better. Little less. Just little, go back a little. So have you added this pattern to the background?
Yes, sir. I use the eraser tool to cut this, sir.
No, where you have this orange and blue color, there I can see some patterns.
That pattern is the pixelated filter, sir.
Okay.
We have here filter pixelate.
Okay. And what is the size of this stamp? What was asked from you?
There were no size about the stamp, but the canvas size was A5 paper, sir.
Okay. Okay. And any reason you're having a blue color in one and orange color in second?
Actually, I have tried to. I mean, I've tried this lady here wear the orange saree, sir, in the original source image.
So that's the reason.
Yes, sir.
And for the blue?
See, sir. It was actually red, but the red one was not matching, so I have changed it to orange, sir.
And for the blue?
For the blue, no other color was matching with this yellow and blue, sir. So I decided for a lighter range of blue, sir.
Okay. See, when you are designing, in terms of graphic design, it's very important if you are using any color, any shape, it should have a reason.
Yes.
I mean, it is good aesthetically, it should look good, but the other important part, it should signify something.
Sir.
So just lady having an orange color and you using a orange won't justify much. Like it should convey like it is some related to like orange being saffron from our Indian flag. I have used because India has this, orange color. Or for the blue, you can say like in terms of sports, as people who sports people went to Olympics, they were wearing blue colors. That's why to signify that, it should have some meaning. So
Yes, sir.
stamp. So whenever you look at this stamp, it has some meaning that a story it conveys, right? Whenever you see a stamp, it tells you
Yes, sir.
something about it. So that's why the colors and the this is important. Otherwise, this looks good. You have used Photoshop, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So any design principles did you follow in this? What made you have like Bharat India on the left side and Incredible India in the center?
So mainly our Indian language is national language is Hindi, sir. That's why I've decided to use Hindi text here and later the English text. Later in the requirements, they have given this incredible India to be mentioned.
No,
That's
no.
why I use this.
I mean to say, in terms of alignment, you see Bharat India, you have placed the text on towards the left
Sir.
side, right?
Yes, sir.
But Incredible India, you have kept it in the center.
In center.
So any reason Bharat India on the left and Incredible India, on this in the center? And I feel 2021 is very small when
If
it
I
will
keep
get
Bharat India,
yeah.
when we if I suppose if I keep this Bharat India in the center, there may be some stamp codes, sir. Keeping in mind the stamp code, I have left some empty space, sir.
Was anything mentioned in the question paper? Will there
Uh,
be any stamp code?
No, sir, not really, but I thought it will be better to leave some space for the codes.
My one worry is the text which you have in the blue background and the orange background, the Bharatnatyam and Dandiya
Dandiya.
Ras, right? So when
Yes, sir.
these will get printed, this text won't be much readable. Because the font, what is the font size? Can you just select the text and see?
Is 20 points, sir.
For the
For Bharat India, it is 20 points, and for the inner
for
text, it
the
is 11 points.
11 points. That's what it's very. I think it is very less. But then, yeah, and it is the same font for both.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
One is the regular version, and another is light, sir.
Just try one sample without having a pattern. I'm not really sure how this is look good. Not very.
There were given a requirement about color range, sir.
Yeah, what is
They
that?
said it should not cross 4 to 5 colors.
Yeah.
That's why I use this pixelations.
So, Shabash, tell me one thing. Have you got any of your work got printed before? Have you created something and got that printed out?
Yes. In college, sir, regarding the fest covers and all that.
Okay. Cool. I think this looks fine to me.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Tejas, should we have some another candidate?
Yes, sir. We have.
Can I leave, sir?
Yes,
Yeah.
Shabas, you can leave.
Thank you, Shaba.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You have already shared your work to me.
Okay, it has already been shared.
Yes.
Cool.
And Aishwarya, please turn on your camera and share your screen. Turn on your camera and share your screen, Aishwarya.
Hi, Aishwarya. Can you tell me why did you choose these two colors? Aishwarya, you're not audible.
We are not getting your audio, Aishwarya. No, you are still not audible.
Yeah.
Still no audio from your side.
No.
Once try to just without your try without your earphones. Try without it. Yeah. Once try to talk. No, no, still we are not getting it. Okay, no worries. Try to join again. Try to disconnect your audio and try to join it. Okay, try to connect from your mobile also. Okay, so you have already shared your screen. Screen is okay. Try to connect your from your mobile.
Yeah, I think that will do.
Is it audible now, sir?
You need to mute one of your.
Is it audible now, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, but why is there an echo?
I too don't know, sir.
Turn off the camera off from your mobile.
Yeah, do one thing,
Okay, sir.
Aishwarya. Turn off the volume from your computer. Turn off the volume from your computer so that you'll be listening from us. So that
Okay,
there
sir.
won't be any echo.
Yeah, right.
Is it audible now, sir?
Yeah, much better.
Okay.
So Aishwarya, I was asking, why did you choose these colors, pastel colors?
Sir, I thought both orange and that blue color may significant our Indian flag
Mm-hmm.
and our culture. So that's why I
Okay.
choose them, sir. And also, you only said to choose Pantone colors. That's why also.
Okay. And how did you create this border? Can you tell me? Yeah.
I just take one. I just take that box using rectangle tool, sir, and after that, mark small dots and duplicate them, and after that, I fill the color.
Okay. Can you show me that layer? I mean, in your layer panel. Aishwarya, your mobile is on mute if you're saying something.
Aishwarya, your mobile is also in on mute.
Is it okay now, sir?
Yes, now it's okay.
Yeah.
As Sar asked, show us the layer.
Can you show that? Yeah, the border which you have created in the layer panel.
This one, sir.
Okay.
And also this
This
one,
is the background. Okay.
and also uh,
So how did you remove this background from this dancer?
by using pen tools, sir.
Okay. So you created a shape around this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. For the both the dancers.
Can you repeat it, sir?
I mean, did you use the pen tool for both the dancers?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in your the left side image, over the text Incredible India, what is that blue color highlighting?
Blue color.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, Incredible. Yeah, here. What is that?
Okay, so it's a mistake. That means that background color may reflect here.
Can you select that image? Is it coming from the dancers background?
No, sir.
Then from the Incredible India?
From that background, sir. The blue border background.
But you have already have one color, no, on top of that.
Okay, sir. I will edit that, sir.
Can you select that lady, the orange color lady? And yeah, now try to hide it. Will it go away? No. Can you go select this Incredible India text? Hide that also. Yeah, can you zoom in now? Is it a text?
Lorem ipsum, sir.
Yeah, is it a text or is it an image?
Yeah, sir. It's a text. That
So
means and what it is, sample text given in my text tool, sir.
so you can remove that, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to select that? Oh yeah, that's there. Cool. So it is also there in your right image as well. Okay, it's there in both. It should be, yeah, there.
think it is.
It's fine now. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I have one more question. Like in the right image, you have used a contrast background color, right? You know, the dancer is clearly, you know, stands out from the background. That is not the case in the left stamp. Like your image is already in like reddish or yellowish color, and the background color which you have used is also a yellowish. So there is not enough contrast to, that is not making this image stands out. Do you also feel that?
No, yeah, sir. But I thought that that color may matches the background, so that's why I fixed it.
Mhm. The clarity you have in the right image, that clarity is missing in the left image.
It may be due to that image color and the background color is same, sir, like
Exactly.
orange and some sandalwood color or whatever. That's
So
why it
yeah.
may be
So you know
unclear.
about the contrast colors,
Yes,
colors which
sir.
are opposite to each other, right?
Yes, sir.
So if you play with that, it might help you like it making this stand out more.
Okay, sir.
What is the font you have for Bharat India and Incredible India? It is the same font.
Yes, sir. Same font.
Okay. Any reason of having 5,000 numerical?
Nothing, sir. Recently, I have searched a lot of images in Google yesterday. So I found that same 5,000 there. That's why.
Okay. So was it mentioned in your task to have this 5,000?
No, sir.
Okay. So Tejo, can students add anything? That's fine, or is it important to have what has been mentioned in the task?
Sir, actually, that point has been not given, sir. Whether you are approved to add additional data, or else you should not add anything. That point is not given.
Okay.
The,
So that is not mentioned.
Yes, sir, that is not mentioned.
So it is okay to have like
Yes.
this extra information. Okay, fine. Cool, Aishwarya. Nice work.
Thank you, sir.
Shulya, after you can leave the session now. Please share all your work to me in a zip file, man. I'll share it to sir to evaluate the total.
Sir, I already shared you, but sir
Okay.
now said some mistakes, so I will fix it and I will send it
No.
again, sir.
Actually, this will be your final data, because as you have already showed us, this will be your final output, and we'll judge it about according to this one. Already it has been completed. The time has been completed, right? So you
Okay,
don't have
sir.
any more.
I already shared you, sir.
Okay,
Please
then
check
I'll
it, sir.
yes. Okay, then or have you shared the morning session project also?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, then thank you. You can leave the session now.
Thank you,
Yeah,
sir.
cool. Thank you, Aishwarya.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we are having one more person, Satvika.
Yeah.
Sir, I think for the afternoon session, only 5 persons have joined.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right.
Yes, I think this is the last person.
1, 2,
Satvika.
3, 4. Okay, yeah.
I mean,
So
actually,
Bhavan,
Satvika has been getting in the session and getting out because of some network issues. I think I have missed this person as the 6th person.
so there is one more person, no, in the morning.
Yes,
Bhavani.
in the morning
So the-
session, we have around 7 persons, but they
Yeah,
have
right.
some issues due to which
Some
they have
issue.
not been able to.
All right. Cool.
We can evaluate them only whatever the data they have given us.
Sure.
Sure. Sadvika, please turn on your camera and display your screen.
Sadhguru, can you hear us?
No, sir. Actually, she has turned on the mic.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she is.